Data shows more and more Canadian teens are getting hooked on flavored vaping products. The 2022 Canadian Student Tobacco, Alcohol and Drugs surveyed 9 provinces, and the results showed 8% of students in grades 7 through 12 were vaping every day, 12% in grades 10 through 12. The advocacy group Action on Smoking and Health says there's an urgent need for more regulation. BCN's Heidi Echavarria has more.
The flavor attracts them, but the nicotine keeps them. This is what Canadian health groups have found about the use of nicotine vaping in teenagers. Through surveys and focus groups, kids have quite often reported they are attracted to vaping products due to the interesting flavors.
We have a youth vaping epidemic in Canada right now. Over 300,000 Canadian youth have used vaping products within the last 30 days. We've seen some action, but we haven't seen enough action. And this problem has persisted for too long, and we know what the solution is, and we have to pursue it vigorously.
According to Physicians for Smoke-Free Canada, restricting flavors in vaping products was a commitment made by the Liberal Party in the recent federal election. This group is asking for regulation to ban flavors in vaping products to be finalized. But beyond promises and demands for those promises to be fulfilled, let's look at why there is a need to remove flavor from nicotine products. So, Stats Canada report, flavors has been identified as one of the potential factors contributing to the high proportion of youth vaping in Canada.
Flavors are one of the primary drivers attracting young people to vaping products. So if we can remove the flavors, we're going to be protecting many, many kids from those products and from nicotine addiction. And nicotine addiction, we all know how harmful that is. That is a fundamental health hazard that is associated with tobacco use and vaping products. And kids who vape are 2 to 3 times more likely to become smokers. That if you're offering an alluring product in chocolate or strawberry or mint, that is going to be a huge attraction for kids. And there's a smell associated with these products as well, and that's very appealing. We're encouraging the new minister within the first 100 days to implement a national ban on flavored vaping products, and for her and her provincial colleagues to follow through on the other recommendations of their chief medical health officers. That includes a flavor ban, it includes more prominent health warnings, it includes plain packaging like we have on tobacco products.
While we have already discussed the mental impact this product has on youth, it's also important to mention the impact it has on other areas of health. According to Canadian Cancer Society, e-cigarettes alone can still cause harm. E-cigarettes with nicotine are addictive, and using them can lead to dependence. To top it off, increasing evidence shows e-cigarette can cause serious health issues, including lung and heart problems. For Bridge City News, I'm Heidi Echavarria.